managed to rebuild this a bit. You can see it's a bit better now. Still got to deal with this bit here where it's pinched. It's going to be impossible to get that perfect because it's actually where it folds up into the recess. You can't actually get anything in there to knock it down. But you can see, if I zoom in, you can see there's still some bits of detail. So if you see these little grey areas here, can you see these tiny little grey areas? I have to push each of those individually. You know, there's probably in excess of 150, 200 maybe, all round. You see all the tiny grey areas where it's not shiny and white, where you see these dimples like a crater on the moon. All of those have to be pushed out with something similar to that. So the rod goes in behind here, goes in there like you've been seeing in the video, and then I use my hand-eye coordination and I push each of these tiny little dimples out. I'll show you an example. So I'm going to push each one of these out. So you've got this one this side and this one this side. I'm going to push them out with the rod. If you keep an eye on them, and then afterwards that little peak I will tap down. So I'm going to start with the one nearest. And now I'm going to do the one just the other side. If you can just see it, just keep an eye on it.